Hey there, I'm Charlotte, the Gulf Coast Granny, and today I am out in the yard spying on Poppy and my son fixing their car. So let's look. There it is, y'all. This is Murphy putting a CV joint back on. It's a 1999 Mitsubishi Eclipse. He's about to crank it up. I can't believe it.
Let me know when.
Well, it has a battery.
Lights are on.
Lights are on.
Throttle cable connected.
Daddy.
Give it a whirl. Just finger tight.
Shut the front door. Okay. Ugh. Yeah, it hasn't run in a long time. Maybe it's just got sticky gas or something in it. This always happens when they work on cars. They get it started and they got to tweak things, and I think it's kind of a normal thing. But it started, and that's a great thing. Y'all come back for the test drive later.
Some of that ethanol-free gas. Yeah, probably.
It sounds like it's not chugging. Are you got your foot on the gas?
Nothing. It's idling in between the 1K and idle mark.
1K and idle.
It's fixing itself though. It's going down, chugging.
Hey! Well, they had to take a little break because apparently the battery died. So they went to buy a new battery, and now they're getting prepared to install the battery in the car. I knew I was going to have to spend more money on this thing. They also went and bought better gas and a product called Seafoam. What does Seafoam do?
Seafoam cleans.
Kind of cleans everything out.
Fuel system also lubricates your fuel pump and your top of your motor.
So, according to Poppy, Seafoam cleans out the whole system, lubricates everything, and makes it run a lot smoother. So we'll see what happens next. And Violet's off to work. So before the battery died, they did get the tires on the car, which is cool. Do we know if it rolls? You haven't put it in gear yet?
Nope.
Okay. So the battery's going in. You don't want to let the boy do that?
I work with batteries all day at auto.
Okay.
I don't know.
Is it in? No, it's not in. That's where the battery goes?
Yeah, right there.
Check this out, y'all. I don't think I've ever seen a car where the battery goes so far back in the engine compartment. Usually they're up here.
And he wants to put it from there all the way to the back of the car.
Oh, no. No.
And hide it back there.
It needs to stay where it is.
I'm going to relocate it to the trunk.
No, you're not. Remember what I said?
Yes. Factory.
Factory. Ooh, here we go.
Put your brake.
Okay, this is the maiden voyage, a 1.5 feet up the driveway. Okay, she rolls.
Put the hood down.
You better put some gas in it.
That's what we're doing.
Oh, okay. Did y'all see that lightning?
Yeah.
Look, y'all, there's a storm right there. Don't know where it's going. Don't know when it's gonna explode or whatever you call it. Look at that. Isn't that cloud pretty right there? But behind me, that's the direction of the beach, a 1/2 mile away. Isn't that crazy? Happens all the time. We probably won't get a drop of rain.
Good thundering and everything so
It's
far.
chugging in drive,
In park.
in park.
In reverse.
It's fine in reverse. That's weird. You gonna take it for a spin around the block? Isn't this exciting? Oh, geez. Well, I guess that's what bumpers are for, right? Bye. And they're going for gas now. They're gonna fill that bad boy up. Y'all, I am so excited for my boy. They just left the house to go fill the car up with gas, and he's driving it. This has been a long time coming. He's been wanting to do this for months. And I swore I was not going to get emotional over this. But I am a little bit because, you know, it's his senior year. He's going to be able to drive to school. He did so much of that work himself. Poppy helped him. Poppy guided him. But the hands were his. And he's come so far in just a year. It's so nice to see him apply himself and get things accomplished that he wants to get accomplished. Before the last few months, I kind of was concerned, you know, that he was a little lackadaisical in getting things done. But this has proven a lot to me about his determination. And I like seeing that in my boy. So anyhow, that's the story for today. It looks like that old piece of junk car that was sitting outside of my house for almost 2 years has officially become Murphy's car. Y'all take care, and I'll see you again real soon, all right?